Alright, this is Mukbang video with the homie. We got the tea house. I got the ordered cookies and cream. He got the, what you got? You feel me? You feel me?
Already for sure.
And I got the same shit. You feel me? What's your drink? What's your drink? What's your drink?
Vanilla-iced coffee type shit.
Vanilla-iced coffee.
You feel me?
Alright, Mukbang. Do a review. I'm gonna use this. If I take this pee pill, we fucking know what. Hey. I ain't lie, we need some ranch.
Oh, that's good.
It is good. It's homemade pretty much. I didn't think the mini was gonna be small. I thought it was like big enough for both.
Me too. I'm like, there, I got mine.
That's why I think that's the mini. So far, this shit busting. What you doing?
10 out of 10.
Let's try again.
Indeed.
Got the car over there. Looking all car-ish. Man. I don't even know what to say. But see, nah, you should start YouTube, bro. You should start YouTube. Just think about it like this. You start the YouTube channel. You're already with me. You got you like you don't really care if I was to record a public. You be like, damn, I feel comfortable. You know? And then if you by yourself, you just think, imagine I'm with you, bro.
No, you
It's gonna be easy. For me, you know, I got the tough hands and you be like, I don't give a fuck.
I think we would like get a new lens. Start getting my own. Or I can start with my iPhone.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. With my iPhone, finally got a camera and I'm like, alright, man.
Because I can do vlogs and do like, same with my music. Like, vlogs and drop music on my channel.
Why do they always miss my bro?
Yeah,
Give me every bike that's like that, sound like that.
is that bad or is that good?
It's natural. But you should definitely start, bro.
I've been meaning to like get into vlogs and stuff like that. Like, I can come with you and like vlog with you and shit.
I just won't be coming in on Wednesdays no more. But alright, it's vlog day.
Oh yeah, you know what?
And then I can do it then.
Oh yeah.
Because I don't really mind bringing this camera everywhere.
Oh yeah.
And if they got a sign or a policy that say I can't bring it, that's when I'm gonna be like, okay. Because I gotta be respectful.
Some people like, I know there's some people if you bring a camera in, they be wanting to keep you out and shit like that. Damn.
Like, damn, bro, we didn't even record me. But I think that's due to like, you know how back in the day, people used to record, they used to like do dumb shit and steal shit. I think that's when it all started. I think that's when it all started. And now it's just like certain people have a policy of, oh, you can't record it, you can't have a camera. But like if you were to have like a phone, they wouldn't really say shit.
Yeah. Like, it's like instantly, like, when you see something like that, they like, oh my god.
Paparazzi or something.
Yeah. It's like that, you know how they were doing in that Chipotle video? When everybody be going over there and they be recording and shit. Like, oh yeah, put it on Yeah, put that on my stuff. I'm like, damn, bro.
I think that's why so many people have like the camera policy now. But like if you do it with your phone, they don't care. It makes sense. Same shit. Different thing. Check. That shit busting, y'all. Yeah. If y'all want some pizza, bro, go to My Pizza. Pretty good. Custom make your own pizza. My Pizza.
My pizza.
First time trying it too.
10 out of 10, bro.
Yeah.
On me.
But hey, you. Not that baby oil.
What?
Nothing.
You already looking at me?
That's just some out of pocket.
I ain't gonna lie. The dude in the back is looking at me for shit.
That's cool. It happens, bro. Once you bring the camera out, it's gonna happen.
That's the only reason I'm looking at you, like looking at cars. Fuck, I'm like, damn.
Cause when you bring a camera out, bro, they be like, damn, what the fuck are they doing? So it's like, that's why you don't worry about what other people got going on. Cause at the end of the day, they watch the same YouTube video or something. They gotta watch YouTube. Somebody gotta make the content. They're bored to watch. So.
Nigga watching this about shit and I'm not gonna walk. In the back.
Hey, yo.
Hey, not like that. I don't mean like that. Get your mind out the gutter, man.
But yeah, it's because you bound to happen. Once you bring it out, they be like, damn, what the fuck they filming? What they doing with the camera?
Don't put me in that shit.
Did they be interested? Did they talk shit or something? Or something like that. And then you come in there with the camera. You like, I came into a spot where I came in with the camera. And I'm pretty sure they was looking at me hard. And I was just still doing what I was doing. But I put the camera down. Because I didn't want them to be like, oh, don't get me in the camera. Oh, you blah, blah. I'm not, bro. I'm not finna get nobody.
You some black people?
Nah. It's other races.
Oh.
Yeah. There was a lot of people. But I just was like, hey, I ain't filming nobody. I'm putting it down. Or if I'm filming myself. Like this. So it'll be straight on me so they'll see that. You got done before me.
Yeah, for real?
You ain't know what to drink though.
Huh?
You ain't know what to drink though.
I want something else, I ain't gonna lie.
Bruh.
It
ain't busting.
No, it's busting. I just don't want to. I want like I don't know, like a Sprite or something, or like a mango.
McDonald's over there.
No, I don't want a Sprite. I mean, like a mango.
A mango? Smoothie?
Yeah.
Smoothie King's still open, I think. Is it?
It is?
You gotta check. Security guard.
See, my friend, we would be hanging out right now. My friend be like, nah, bro, I don't feel like bro, you ain't living there and doing it. He don't go to college. All he does, I'm telling you what he do, like, bro. He literally, he's either on the Xbox playing like Call of Duty, or whatever the other game called, or playing Fortnite. He about like, he not your age, but he like
close to age.
Close to your age. He's 23.
Yeah,
He's like a year younger than me, 24.
Lazy. Some people be lazy like that, bro.
Yeah. I was eating some shit. I don't even know.
I did.
Hey.
I wish I could go back and go get another one, but they closed. They closed at 10. So do they. You about him?
Hmm?
You talking about him? He was with him?
Oh no. I'm talking about the couple in the back. It was the boy. It's Mexican in the back. The couple they're about to come out now. But don't listen.
You too, bro. Bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, I just put that bitch on my face.
For real?
I was like, man, look, I gotta watch this other tomorrow anyway, so fuck it.
I got plenty of fans.
Yeah, you can watch that. Actually, no, you can watch it in the car. And then after you can have it. Go away. I'm trying to be like you, mama. Where my B at? I know she gonna see this.
Oh, you got it.
I just lift the truck.
I ain't gonna lie, that he's driving the car. I always see that. You look like.
Nigga, you been driving the whole Honda Coupe.
That's what I thought.
Well, that was the Mukbang, guys. Featuring my boy Dewan. Go follow his music, his YouTube channel. And shout yourself out on Instagram again.
Shit. My YouTube channel is Young Downing. That's for my Instagram and my YouTube.
Alright.
Yeah. Peace.